Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to add gift card to Instacart. First, open the Instacart app or website. Tap the three horizontal lines at the top. Then, scroll down and select Account Settings. From there, tap Credits, Promos, and Gift Cards. Next, tap Add Promo or Gift Card. Type in your gift card code carefully. Then tap Add to Account to apply it. Your balance will be added automatically and will show up on your next order. You can also add your gift card during checkout by choosing payment method, selecting Add Gift Card, and entering the code there. And that's it! Your Instacart gift card is now added and ready to use on your upcoming orders. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.